So have you noticed a cough that just won't quit?
Yeah, Triad health experts say they have seen more people complaining about a pesky, persistent cough. Fox 8's Natasha Lagur spoke with experts about it. So Natasha, what did you find out?
Well, health experts tell me that it's not uncommon, especially during the wintertime. Now, persistent coughing is a side effect after contracting any respiratory illnesses. And they say that to treat it, you have to treat it constantly until it's gone.
I've had the cough really and the fatigue for probably about 5 weeks.
It's the lingering cough that everyone is trying to get rid of. Tammy Otten got sick right after Christmas, and she's still coughing.
I'm tired of staying at home and just trying to get out. I still try to, take precautions, washing my hands, and I still taking a lot of cough medicine.
She's worried that she might not get better.
Oh my goodness. Even at night, it's worse in the evenings and at night.
She's not alone. The Thomasville Family Pharmacy team has seen people buying more cough relief products this year.
Oh, it's on a daily basis this time of year. I see anywhere from 5 to 10 people coming in with the complaint of cough.
A persistent cough is not something to be worried about. Health experts say it's common during the winter season.
Having this lingering cough that's going on, no, you're not contagious any longer. It's just annoying to you at this point.
They also say RSV hit adults hard this season, and that's a virus known for leaving behind a long-lasting cough.
We can't prescribe you an antibiotic because it doesn't work. So then we have to tell you that we have to treat the symptoms.
And the only way to treat it is to go to your local pharmacist and buy over-the-counter medication. Now, doctors do say that you can still get sick after contracting your viruses that also left your lingering coughing. Live in Thomasville, Natasha Lagur, Fox 8 News.
Natasha,